Westmoreland Eagler charged with murder. American teen goes missing in St. Anne. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A 32-year-old Eagler has been charged with the stabbing murder of a man during a fight in Williamsfield, Westmoreland on June 5th. He is Johnoy Beckford from the community of Nagahead Town where the incident occurred. The police stated that about 8 p.m. on June 5th, Beckford and another man who was along the roadway got into an altercation that spiraled out of control. During the fight, Beckford allegedly used a knife to inflict several wounds to the man's upper and lower body. The man was rushed to a health facility where he was pronounced dead. Beckford surrendered to the police on Friday and he was officially charged. His court date is being finalized. An Ananda alert has been activated for 15-year-old Shanoya Nicholson of a Florida, United States of America address who has been missing since Friday, June 7. She is of dark complexion, medium build, and about 187 centimeters or 5 feet 2 inches tall. Reports from the St. Anne's Bay Police are that about 8:30 p.m., Shanoya was last seen at an apartment in Richmond in St. Anne wearing a yellow dress. She has not been heard from since, the police stated. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Shanoya Nicholson is asked to contact the St. Anne's Bay Police at 876-972-2211, 119 police emergency number, or the nearest police station.